Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I am going to show you how to screen record your iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. Now you have to go to your mobile phone icon top bar. Here you can see there's a lot of icons on your mobile phone. You have to edit them. Now there's an option of screen recording on your screen. You have to press on that. There are two options. If you want to on your microphone or if you want to off your microphone. Microphone means if you want to record external voices, so you can use microphone, but if you want to only record the internal voices like only mobile phone voice, so you have to turn it off. So there's two option benefits if you want to use microphone, off if you want to don't use microphone. So move to the next point. The next feature is that you have to on the screen recording, and then all whatever you do on your mobile phone will be recorded and it will be saved to your photos gallery. And if you want to upload any game or tutorials on your mobile, so you can easily screencast and then you edit them and upload it on your YouTube channel. So this is the best feature of iPhone, that it has its own recording, because some of Android and other phones do not have recorder. They have to download their recorder from App Store and then they use it. Some of them don't have microphones access and some of them don't have internal access. So this is the advantage of iPhone, that you can easily use microphone or don't use microphone. It's your choice. So whatever you have to do on the recording and record the thing whatever you want to record. If you want to record a gameplay or if you want to record anything else on your phone screen, you can share with anyone. So this is the best method how you can do it. So hope so friend you understand this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the more updates. So this is an informative channel. You can get all the information